Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and we will talk about Windows 7 a little bit today. I've got some questions from viewers about extensions of Windows 7. Of course, some of you might have read articles about, they're extending the free, updates for security for a year. No, they're not. So here's the thing: Windows 7 is still being retired for pretty much everybody on January 14th, 2020. And the reason why, well, it's 10 years. 10 years of support is what Windows has when they actually have a new version. And we will be reaching 10 years of support in 2020. So what exactly is happening is that enterprise users, a special kind of enterprise users that are on some of their long-term programs, will be getting 1 year of free update support. So that is one thing. And a lot of people have been speculating, well, okay, they're backing off now. They're understanding that Windows 7 is still too many computers around the world with that, and that they'll do this to customers, regular users also. No, they're not. They're not, because they're pushing really hard on Windows 10, and they are not backing off. Unlike Windows XP this time around, it's really not the case. Also, it's a very different market. When Windows XP retired, what happened is Windows Vista came to life. A lot of people didn't like that one, and that created a problem where Windows XP was still, people were keeping their Windows XP machines because they were hearing all of these horror stories of Windows Vista. Then we had Windows 7, and Windows 7 also had a hard time at the start, but people started adopting it and enjoying it a lot. And so we're not in the same place, because Windows 10 overall is actually an operating system that people like. They don't like some of the aspects of it, like, the updates and stuff like that, but still, for the majority of people, Windows 10 is okay. And it's a very different story than Windows Vista that was hated. So no, don't expect this to happen, and Microsoft is pushing Windows 10 really hard to everybody. Once again, if you have a Windows 7 product key, you can try to upgrade for free. Regular product keys from Windows 7 installs work well. OEMs, the original equipment manufacturer key that is on some of the laptops and the desktops, some work, some don't. That's pretty much what's happening. Some of you have stated that, they stopped working at some point. They didn't stop working. They never always worked. They never, a lot of them didn't give you a free upgrade even when you would upgrade in 2015. They were actually pushing free upgrades simply on the fact that you had Windows 7 activated. They weren't looking at a product key when you were actually upgrading your Windows back then. What is different is that after that 1 year of free upgrades, the loophole for upgrading for free with the product key still continued working. But from that time, it was for OEM keys, the ones that are on laptops and desktop computers or branded computers. Half of them work, half of them don't. It depends on, I don't know what. But I guess not everybody can upgrade for free using the keys right now. But if you have a original Windows 7 with the disk and everything, that key does work to give you a free upgrade to whatever version you have with Windows 10. So if you're on the home version of Windows 7, if you're on the basic version, you're getting the home version of Windows 10. If you're on the professional or ultimate versions, you're getting the professional version of Windows 10, but mostly with original product keys. So no, guys, sorry, but if you were expecting that Microsoft would back off from the end of support in January, they're not. You still need to find some alternative to Windows 7. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.